It has been called by many names throughout history, namely the Orontes River, Orontes, the Maklub, the Mimas the Great, and the Ornots, and it is the one that dominated it because it flows from the south to the north, opposite the direction of the region's rivers. The Orontes River originates from the heights of the Bekaa Valley in Lebanon and doesn't have a single source, but rather three groups of sources, the most important of which are the group of sources of Ain Zarqa, Sughayr and Hermel from the foothills of the western Lebanon mountain range, the group of springs of Laboué, Ain Falakiya and Ras Balbik from the foothills of the eastern mountains of Lebanon, and the group of agricultural sources near the town of Juthia in the northern Bekaa, after which it enters Syrian territory of the pound of Al-Omariya, mill in the town of Rabla to form the Orontes Valley, now in Syria. After crossing 20 kilometers in Syrian territory, it enters Lake Katina and exits from it, continuing its pattern Homs governorate until the town of Rashtan, where the Rashtan Dam was built on it. Then it enters the territory of Hama governorate at the Al-Ashik visitor, then continues its path until it enters the city of Hama, dividing it into two halves where giant water wheels are built over it. It is the largest of its kind in the world, and the sides of the river are spread with orchards and greenery. Then it continues its way to Maharda, where the Maharda Dam was built. Then it continues to the Al-Ghab plain, where the Asharna Dam was built. Then the river heads north to Rish, Jisr al-Sughur and Darkush, then enters the city of Antioch in the Syrian Iskandarun district, which Turkey has occupied since 1939. Then the Gulf of Saudia, where it empties into Mediterranean Sea. Its length is about 571 km, including 46 km in Lebanon and 525 km in Syria and Iskandarun district. The flow of the river is more abundant in Syrian territory region 14 meters second when it enters Lake Katina. At the end of the Al-Ghab plain, its abundance is 24 meters, and at Antioch it is 87 meters. This is due to the large number of tributaries that flow into the river. Most the tributaries that feed the Orontes River are described as seasonal, relying on rainwater and snow melt, the most famous of which are Kafat River, Sarut River, Kastoun River, Salhab River, Abu Kubais River, Nahr al-Barid, Afrin River, Black River, Ain Zarqa Spring, lakes and dams. The dams built on the Orontes in Syria provide irrigation for vast areas of land, and parts of these dams and lakes have been invested as fish farms. Katina Lake, Lake Katina or Lake Kadish is an originally natural lake that was formed behind a natural basalt block, and then a dam was built over it to increase the lake's area and storage capacity. Rastan Dam. The Rastan Dam was built on the Orontes River near the city of Rastan, and behind it formed a large lake extending to the Hula plain. Maharda Dam. It was located near the city of Maharda and on the side of the dam lake. The Maharda thermal station for generating electricity was built. Al-Asharna Dam. The Asharna Dam was built near the town of Asharna, and it proposes to distribute the river's water into 4 canals to irrigate the Al-Ghab plain. Wikitube, the first audiovisual encyclopedia in the English version.